Alright guys, so now we have our custom user model in place. So the next thing is to add some categories here. Okay, so when we go to this add category, we can add some categories here, right? But before we add some categories here, we want to do something else. That is, we need to configure the media files. Okay, so the same way how we did for the static files, right? So the same way we need to configure our media files also. Okay, so otherwise when we upload files here, I mean the images here, then those images will not be working. Okay, so that's why we will add we will configure the media files, and then we'll come back here and add the categories. So in order to configure the media files, we just go to this settings .py file here. So here settings, and scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you see this static URL. The same way we do for the media files also. Okay, so let me write media files configuration. Let me comment this, and media underscore URL, that is equal to media. Okay, and then media underscore root is equal to this one. Okay, just copy this line, base directory and static. So just instead of this static, write media. Okay, all right, so that's done. And go to this urls.py file here, and first of all here type plus, we have a function called static. Open this, and settings dot media underscore URL. Okay, and then comma document underscore root is equal to media underscore root. Okay, so we have used static and settings here, that's why we need to bring them in from Django dot conf dot urls dot static import static, and then we also need to import settings, right? So from Django dot conf import settings. Okay, so I think that's it. So this is how we configure the media files. Once this is done, so just save this file and go to the this add category section. Let me just refresh. Oh, something is wrong, I think. Name media root is not defined. Let me go to the settings file. So here I think this looks fine. Okay, this should be settings. Okay, so settings dot media root. Okay, so when we save this and refresh, okay, this is working. And now this is the good time to add some categories. Okay, so first of all, what I have done for you is I have attached some category image and product images for your reference. So just go to the the resource section of this video, and you will get this image great cart images zip file, I mean zip folder. So go ahead and download it. When you download it, you will get this, and unzip it. Okay, unzip it, and you get this folder. Just open this, and you will get the category image, okay, and some products image. It is just to save your time. Okay, so that's why. But for now, just ignore products. For now we are doing this category, so that's why we will be uploading this photo. If you want to upload a different image, then you can do that. But if you don't want, if you want to use this one, just stick with this. Okay, so okay, once that is done, go to the category name, and here I want to add some categories. As the first one should be shirts. Okay, and the slug is, oh sorry, this is a shirts. Okay, so this can be anything. This is the demo shirt category. Okay, so then the category image is select this images, and we have this category. Okay, let me select this one and save it. Alright, so one category is added now. So let us see if it is working. Yes, the photos is working. That means the media files is working properly. Alright, so one catch here. Okay, one problem is here. So we added shirt here and we added the slug manually, right? So this should not be like this. Okay, so when we add a new category here, when we add the jeans, this jeans should replicate, or I mean auto populate inside this slug. Okay, whatever we write, they should automatically generate the category slug. All right, so it is because it is not a good idea to always manually write the slugs. Okay, so that's why what we will be doing in the next lecture is we will modify some of the code in the category model and admin.py file, so that whenever we add category name, the slug will be auto populated. All right, so I'll see you in the next one.